How to fix Steam corrupt download. Now, in this method, I'm going to be showing you two specific ways for you to be able to bypass this kind of issue. But take note that when it comes to corrupted downloads directly from the Steam client, most probably is because of your current internet connection. So that's your very first troubleshooting step that you want to do. Make sure that you have at least a maximum signal amount of bars right here, or if you're not comfortable on just checking out this icon right here for your Wi-Fi, you could try to use any preferred web browser on your end and try to run some speed test if the problem is really coming from your internet connection. Now, next thing you do is open up your Steam and make sure that you're logged in into your Steam account. Below, just choose on Manage Downloads, and this is where you can check your network, the peak, and your disk usage once your download is starting. Now, right side on that, you should be able to see a gear icon. Click that, and then go into downloads, and make sure that limit download speed is turned off. And then once it is off, you can scroll down again, and under clear download cache, choose on clear cache, and choose on confirm. Once you click on confirm, your Steam will automatically reset into normal and you will need to re-log in into your account again. So those are the very basic troubleshooting steps for you to be able to fix Steam download corrupt.